Hello everyone, welcome back to Simple Life. In today's video, let's see how can we create a play area for our kids. So this is how my play area was looking earlier. Creating play area for kids, I feel like it's very precious thing when you have a little one playing around. Since we are at home nowadays, so having many play areas around the house are one of the necessity thing to get through the day. It is very important to keep small toys organized. So I have used this pumpkin Halloween baskets to put all the small toys in it. So in one basket we have organized all the small vehicles and cars. So whenever he can play with it, and once he's done he can put them back. Same way I have utilized the other basket for small animals. So he can play with them, and once when he's done he can put them back. This way the toys are organized and they are not all around the house. So it is very important to create bins for each and every toys and store them in sets so they can play with them whenever they want to, and they are also aware that where their toys are. So this is one of the area where we put all our toys well organized once we are done with playing. Here comes the other part of the play area. Let your kids organize their play area according to their wish, because they are going to play with their toys. Involve them in all the activities. Create a parking garage for all the cars, and for animals just create a small area like a zoo. I love the natural sunlight that comes in through the windows, and having the kids so close in the kitchen while I'm cooking, while I'm having lunch and dinner, has been such a lifesaver. So here is in the drawer cart, I have organized all the kitchen toys so that he can play with them whenever he wants to. In the other drawer goes all the stationery items together, so that we don't have to run for each and every stationery item here and there. In the last drawer I have organized train tracks, so whenever he wants to play with train tracks he can grab them easily. So the toy area is easily accessible, so they can play with each and every toy whenever they want to. You don't need entire room to create a play area. Just a corner of your house is enough to create a play area for a child. The most important thing is, rather than keeping them in one room playing, let them play in front of you. So here we have arranged our magnet tiles over the fridge. So whenever I'm in kitchen, he can play with them. So I don't have too much worry about what he's doing in some other room. It's always better that small kids play in front of us so that we know that what they are doing. We can also talk to them when they are playing. So this way it is safe for both of us. While coloring, make sure that you spread some mat over the floor so that nothing gets spilled on the floor. Let kids take charge of the toys and activities so that they can learn from all these things. So we have this black and white board we generally use for studying or to do some drawing work. So in this rack we have organized paints, board games, then Lego. I have organized Lego in the clear bin, the Ludo coins. In the Ziploc bag I have organized all the cards, and in the box down I have organized few educational games which are easily accessible and we need them on regular basis. So this is how we have organized all the things properly. The stone art which they have done recently, we have placed it near the window. These are all the toys which my son don't use frequently, so I have put them all in one basket so he can access them whenever he wants to play with them. Open space in playroom is great for promoting gross motor skill. Allowing your child to have a play area, you're not only making comfortable and safe space for kids, but you're also welcoming place where kids can play independently. It encourages creativity and helps them to be active and healthy. So here we have arranged all our artwork on a wall, and we keep on rotating it on regular basis. This art wall encourage them to do more artwork, and in this folder we have arranged all the artwork from school and at home, whatever they have done, so that we can preserve them from years to years. This is the good way to collect all the artworks and arrange them nicely. So hope you guys like my today's video. Do support my channel by subscribing it. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.